It's a bit hard when you hold the phone one hand and do video with the other. Wow, it's a bit loose. Okay, now we got the wheels off. So next is the two number 14. This one here. Take that off. This is number 14. Take this out. So I will take this one completely off, and the second one I'll just make it loose. So that's it out now. First one, yep. So the one at the lower end, just only make it loose, do not take it out completely. Alrighty, so now you see we can bend this around a bit, so we don't want to put too much pressure on the spring here for the handbrakes. So okay, so that's the brake pad. Pulling it out. First one. Yeah, it's done. Its life is pretty much coming to an end now. So this is the bin. Next one. Yeah, another one. Rubbish. Oh, I just dropped that. So it was here. It came off. Put it to the side. Now the trick is, you see, because this is a screw type, you cannot use a clamp to push this piston in. So you have to use either a special tool, or you can use long nose pliers and rotate it clockwise so the piston goes in. So let's get going with that. So I'm going to put this in a little bit. I'm going to use this lever so it supports. Now we got space to work. Next, the pliers. All I'm going to do is put it there, and it's not going to be easy. One hand on my phone and second. Fuck. Okay, now there we go. Sorry, excuse my language earlier. So now, I'm going to just show you what I'm doing and then pause the video and then do the rest and then show the video again. So now put it here. Okay. And clockwise. So you see how it's moving. So now I have to do that. Okay, let's see if I can keep going with my one hand. Okay, yes, it's moving. Cool. Come on. There we go. Almost there. So keep rotating clockwise until you reach the end. So now I see we're pretty much flush with this body here. So let's get another 10. Almost done. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's it. So guys, now you see that piston's in and it's flush. with the body. So all now I have to do is brake pads. They are. So it's not hard at all now. It's just a matter of putting this back in. One. Second one goes in. Woohoo! Done. Nice. So we got the new one. Then all I need to do is take this metal piece of something. Take this bolt off. Put this back in. You see, nice and easy. It's done. And the rubber that came off earlier, to slide that in here. So give me a second. So this goes in here. Yeah. I need to pause the video again, I think. Need both my hands to work, so give me a second. Be back. Yeah, so I got this in now. And push this caliper bit in. There, that goes back into its position. Okay, here you go. Almost done. Pose again. So tighten up the rest. The 214. That's 40 pounds. Finally, that's in, tight at 40, torque 40 newtons, pounds. That's all good. It's a bit of movement once I apply a brake, so they will tighten up again. Now I can put the wheels back. And here we are, new brake pads for Mazda 6. So you see there's a little bit of grounding sound, but it will go away because the bed is very new. And thank you for watching. See you guys later.